Hi everybody, my name is Ian Vargo and welcome to another episode of the Sounds of Springfield. Today I'd like to discuss how The Simpsons uses both diegetic and non-diegetic sound. If you're unfamiliar with those terms, I'm going to use clips from the show to illustrate what they mean. Let's look at this scene from the Season 5 episode Springfield, spelled with a $sign instead of an S, that features only diegetic sounds.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, good to see you. Tell your friends. Looking lucky. Hey, what's happening? Love the jacket. Behold the box of mystery. The cat goes in right here.
All of the sounds that you just heard, from the buzzing of the bulbs around the marquee, to the ambience of the bustling treehouse casino, to the absolutely disgusting sound of cats mauling Milhouse's face, were diegetic. They all existed within the world of the show and would be heard by the characters. Non-diegetic sounds, on the other hand, are ones that are implied not to be heard by the characters. These are sounds that exist specifically to enhance the experience for the audience. Underscore, which is music used to provide a certain mood or theme, falls into the non-diegetic category. Take a look at this scene from the Season 8 episode You Only Move Twice, which opens by using only non-diegetic music to enhance the peaceful feeling of Lisa walking through nature, before handing off to diegetic sounds including Lisa speaking, the ambience of the forest, and the sounds of the chipmunk and owl.
Wildflowers. We don't have you in Springfield. Hello, Mr. Chipmunk. You're a northern reticulated chipmunk. Yes, you are. You are so reticulated. Hi, Mrs. Owl. You're out kind of early. La 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 la.
Another example of non-diegetic sound is VoiceOver. Usually VoiceOver is used to inform the audience of what's going on. It's not implied that the characters are hearing the VoiceOver, and therefore it is non-diegetic. Check out this scene from the end of Marge versus the Monorail that makes good use of non-diegetic VoiceOver and music, combined with the diegetic sounds that are happening within the world of the show.
And that was the only folly the people of Springfield ever embarked upon. Except for the popsicle stick skyscraper. And the 50-foot magnifying glass. And that escalator to nowhere.
Whoa! Ah! Ah!
The 2006 film Stranger Than Fiction has a playful take on this concept, and centers around the idea that a fictional character can actually hear the voiceover which is narrating his life.
You have a voice speaking to you.
About me, accurately, and with a better vocabulary.
Harold found himself exasperated.
Shut up!
The interesting thing about The Simpsons, though, is how they creatively combine both diegetic and non-diegetic sounds, and even try to fool the audience into believing that they're hearing one or the other, only to pull the rug out from beneath them. Check out this scene from the Springfield Files. As the scene begins, we hear music that parodies the theme from The X-Files. This eerie music is non-diegetic, meaning that Homer doesn't hear it. Then, we are led to believe that Homer is about to experience something awful as the show references Bernard Herrmann's score from the Alfred Hitchcock classic Psycho. Because the prior music was non-diegetic, we assume that this music is non-diegetic as well, but as it turns out, it was just a group of classically trained musicians on a bus playing the score from Psycho. Let's examine another example from The Secret War of Lisa Simpson.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So don't take my sunshine away.
To combat her homesickness, she listens to a tape recording of Marge singing You Are My Sunshine. Because Lisa hears it, it's diegetic. As the scene progresses and we cut to Bart looking out the window at his sister, they gradually bring in non-diegetic underscore. Additionally, they transpose You Are My Sunshine, which is normally in a major key,
Please don't take my sunshine away,
to a minor key,
So don't take my sunshine away.
which embellishes the sadness of this moment. This is a very creative way of combining both diegetic and non-diegetic sound, something that the show does pretty often. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to click subscribe. And if you have ideas for future episodes of the Sounds of Springfield, get in touch or leave them in the comments beneath.